Hey everybody, so today we are going to talk about a flaw in the F-150 fuel door, and luckily I haven't had the issue yet, but I'm going to change it out before I do. Now, you will see a lot of people who have had the issue between like the 21 and 22, the little billet thing for the fuel door, it's made of plastic and it breaks. And Ford, they just don't make that part. You have to buy the whole door to get it fixed. All right, so our good people over at Megaohm, they're the same company that I did a reverse bypass, that reverse beep that you get with the trucks. If you want to turn that off, they make that bypass as well. I have a video for that, so definitely check that out if you want to turn that off. With theirs, it's made of a metal, aluminum metal, and it will last a lifetime of your truck compared to this little plastic dealie. All right, first you got to remove this little cover here. What you got to do is pop this little tab outward, and then you slide this right off. All right, so for theirs, you are going to need a star tip. Take that little rubber jacket that went to the other one. You can definitely feel the difference in these. Just put it on this new one. You just want to kind of put it over that little lip there. And then we just want to put this in here and screw it on. All right, so now before we put our cover back on, let's go ahead and try it. Ooh, shoot. All right, so that worked. Let's go ahead and tighten everything up. Make sure it's in the right position. It's going to be facing upwards for the most part. Now we can go ahead and slide our cover back on. All right, so once we have that on there, closes. Now I don't understand why Ford uses a cheap piece of plastic for something like this, where they could easily do a little piece of metal that wouldn't cost much more for that company at all. Definitely consider getting one of these from Megaohm. I'll put a link down in the description. Now, I don't make any kind of commissions or affiliate sales or anything like that with this company. It's just a company that I have used. I did the bypass and everything. Their customer support has been great. Now, I just choose to share the products that I've tried with them that work great, and hopefully I'll be able to help other people out there with some products as well. But anyway, if you want some more information, I will put a link down below. This is from Megaohm.